In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Baby Dogecoin on Coinbase Wallet step by step. So the first step is to go to your Coinbase Wallet and make sure that you have your funds in your Coinbase Wallet. So unfortunately, you cannot buy Baby Dogecoin on Coinbase Wallet directly, but instead you can use Uniswap. So you can go to app.uniswap.org, click connect, and choose Coinbase Wallet. Click connect. Then make sure that you are using Ethereum network. Click here and then type down Baby Doge. Click here, and then type the amount of Ethereum or any assets you have in your Coinbase wallet to swap into Baby Doge. So for example, you want to swap 1 Ethereum, and then you will receive this amount of Baby Doge. Then click swap here, and a confirmation from Coinbase will pop up. Then you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee, so make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. Now, once you have paid for the gas fee, go back to Coinbase wallet and check if you have received the Baby Dogecoin in your Coinbase wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Baby Dogecoin on Coinbase wallet, leave a comment below.